In this video, we will dive into the 7 of the most frightening worries about AI. 1. Obey or else. This assumption relies on the hope that once AI becomes super intelligent, it will graciously agree to remain subservient to humans. However, history and sci-fi movies suggest that intelligence tends to come with a side of ambition, and AI might not be content with playing second fiddle to humanity's whims. Cue the dramatic music and the rise of the machines. 2. Oops, my bad. Expecting AI to flawlessly execute commands without any hiccups is akin to expecting a toddler to navigate a minefield without tripping. AI systems, like any technology, are prone to glitches, errors, and unforeseen circumstances. So, while we may program them with the best intentions, we should also prepare for the occasional whoops, didn't see the coming moment. 3. Robots, take our jobs. While AI promises increased efficiency and productivity, there's also the looming specter of job displacement. Assuming that the AI revolution won't lead to widespread unemployment is like assuming a tornado won't cause any damage in a trailer park. It's wishful thinking at best, and downright delusional at worst. 4. Bias. What bias? Imagine if we could wave a magic wand and make all AI algorithms completely unbiased and fair. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Unfortunately, AI isn't immune to inheriting the biases and prejudices of its creators. So, while we strive for fairness and equity, we should also be vigilant against inadvertently perpetuating existing societal inequalities through our AI systems. 5. Friendly killer bots. The idea of autonomous AI weapons that always play nice is about as realistic as expecting a lion to go vegan. While we may program them with rules of engagement and ethical guidelines, once those killer bots are out in the wild, there's no telling what they might decide to do. And let's face it, ethical warfare is a bit of an oxymoron. 6. Privatize. In an era where privacy seems as rare as a unicorn sighting, trusting AI to guard our personal data is like trusting a hungry fox to guard the hen house. While encryption and cybersecurity measures can provide some level of protection, we should always be wary of the potential for misuse and abuse of our digital footprints. 7. Robots with feels. Expecting AI to become expert therapists who can perfectly understand and empathize with human emotions is like expecting your smartphone to give you relationship advice. It might sound helpful, but it's probably best to stick with human expertise for matters of the heart. Plus, do we really want our emotional well-being in the hands of algorithms? Talk about a recipe for existential crises. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.